Bring on your might! Bring on your beard! Bring on your axe! Yeah, I brought an axe along to work on this episode. Alright, so let's get started and draw Kintaronyan. One of the recently shown yokai for Yokai Watch Blasters, Moon Rabbit Crew. This guy brings an axe along into battle. He's the leader of some sort of tough tribe. His own tribe, actually. Here's this Japanese mark. Alexa, what is a Kintaro?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, Kintaro is a white pug with a distinctive black and white patch on his mouth and ears.
Alright. Now we draw his axe. Would have thought that yokai would be so heavily armored and heavily prepared.
Kyle.
Yep.
Okay, I'll be right at done.
There we go. And one more thing. And done. That is how you draw Kintaronyan from Yokai Watch Blasters. And wow, this guy's... And looks like this guy's off marching. I don't know where he's marching off to, but best to stay out of it. But it's better to be involved in something that involves a band or a parade. Anything. That's all for now. That is how you draw Kintaronyan. Now, where's my axe? Oh yeah, here it is.